Last time on Sailing Makani.
So we almost made it. Gijon is just over there, and it's about 7 in the morning, 7 o'clock, and then we will arrive, and then we will give you a big update and how our crossing was for the both of us. And yeah, so Gijon, hola Gijon.
It's the first day after our big crossing from France to Spain, so the crossing of the Bay of Biscay was okay for us. We didn't have that much of wind, sadly, but yeah, we made it here. We still have a little bit of diesel left on the on the boat. So we just want to relax a bit and kind of start the adventure and start to enjoy traveling again. And yeah, now we are able to finally do some much needed washing. So Max is sitting over there in the marina facilities or at the marina office, and he's doing some washing. And we also have Wi-Fi again, so I will start to edit episodes. And for now we are staying in Gijon for a few days and enjoy this beautiful Spanish city. And yeah, just relax and just kind of take a break. And it was a big crossing and it was a big adventure, and to do all of this short-handed is a challenge. And yeah, we were lucky with the weather. We wish that we would have had more wind, but yeah, it is what it is, and we made it here, and we did it in 2 days, so there is nothing to be angry about this journey. It was exciting, and it was a big adventure, and it was a big step for us and a big milestone. And yeah, we are really happy that we were able to do it like we did. So tomorrow we will go to La Coruña. So we will leave really early in the morning, around 6, and then we will sail overnight to La Coruña. And before that we have to prep the boat a little bit, because when we sailed over the Bay of Biscay, we had a little bit of a problem with our traveler, and Max will now fix it. And yeah, that's what's happening right now.
So we had our first serious breakage on the crossing of the Bay of Biscay. Luckily we caught it in time before anything major happened. And what happened is that the shackle that connects the main sheet block to the traveler, it unscrewed itself and it bent open, and it was close to falling off, and that would have meant that the main sheet would go flying and the boom would be out of control. Yeah, I caught that in time. Used some rope to tie it all together, because I couldn't fix it right there on the Bay of Biscay, but it held up. Yeah, and we fixed it now. It was nothing too complicated, just basically putting it back together. Yeah, and this time securing it with some wire so it cannot unscrew itself again. Yeah, that's that.
today we just took the boat across the bay and we are now at anchor. It's really beautiful here. We enjoy it very much now that we are in Spain. It feels like a summer vacation almost. But we still do a few little jobs. For instance, Max is today working once again on the dinghy. He is kind of making or attaching a line to it so that we have like a better bumper for it, because at the moment we only use one little fender and it's not enough. And because it's a hard shell dinghy, when you bump against the boat or something, and when there is a wind pushing it against the boat, it's bad for the boat and for the dinghy. So we are attaching this line to it. Yes, and then we are also waiting for a good weather window to round the Cap Finisterre. And then we are at the Rias, and the Rias have islands, sandy beaches, like white sand beaches, and we are really looking forward to the Rias. But we'll have to wait a little while to do that, so at least until the weekend. And then as soon as a good opportunity presents itself, we will round the Cap Finisterre. We are happy, and it is really beautiful here, and the water is really clear. And our trip along the coast from Gijón was a little bit bumpy and rolly. We had waves and it was really uncomfortable. We didn't film any of it because it was just annoying, and we didn't sleep a lot. It was a little bit rolly. And we were both really tired when we arrived here. But yes, we made another longer passage. It was, I think, about 24 hours, a little bit less maybe. And we arrived here at A Coruña very early in the morning. And it was really cool because we had like a dolphin. They guided us into the harbor almost, so it was really cool. We had a lot of dolphins around the boat that were just outside the marina here. But I hope you understand that we didn't film a lot because it's just when it's rolly and annoying, and you just don't have the energy to take the camera out. But now we are here, and now we enjoy our little summer vacation, or the beginning of our summer vacation. It feels really nice, and that's what we will do until we can continue. When we tried to leave the anchorage early in the morning, the anchor fouled and we pulled up another anchor from the seabed. Max was able to attach a tripping line and managed to detangle our anchor and chain. The situation was very scary and we almost lost the anchor that day. We consider ourselves very lucky that nothing major happened and that we were able to leave the anchorage without any loss of time, material or money. Thanks for watching. Join us next time when we sail to the Rias of North-West Spain and find a little paradise. See you!